On every day, Visakhapatnam Kirandul passenger starts at 6:50 a.m. from Visakhapatnam railway station. The first 1 hour of the journey feels very normal. But as soon as train starts climbing the hills, one can feel the sudden change in the ambience around. A wintry breeze would definitely alert you that the time has come to visualize the beauty of the valley. Numbers of tunnels and route will surely add spice to your food. So, those who has a plan to make a trip to Araku from Vizag, make it sure that this one should not be missed out. Most of the time, valley fall in the right side of the train while going towards Araku from Vizag, and waterfalls remain at left side. On the way, small and big waterfalls can be seen from the train. The green valley and river combination gives a spectacular view from the train. The train passes through tunnels and bridges on its journey. This train line passes through 84 bridges and 58 tunnels. The longest tunnel is 550 meter long. The train also passes above the Burra caves.